What do you think, Lorna?
I think it's going to be a massive, massive thing.
Whoa, fucking hell. What's that one in there? Fucking hell. So, just behind me, I'm just going to keep the camera rolling for a second. That storm is coming over here, okay? And yeah, you can hear that, that's the rumble of that thunder. You can't see it on the GoPro, but that big bit of cloud there is hanging down, like that.
Flash a light in there.
Can you see it, yeah? Yeah, I missed it. Hopefully the GoPro caught it. Let's come over here. We'll keep the camera rolling because you're going to see this stuff here. I think we're about to get literally totally trashed with the rain, you know. Oh, we are. Oh, right, see that? See that there? See that there? See that? See that? Yeah, here we are. So this big bit of clouds here is, I would say, about a mile away, and we are about to get dumped water on us. Keep it rolling just so we can see what's happening here. That is big, isn't it? Hear that? And you can feel the wind start to change as well. And is that a tornado coming down?
No, it's just the...
No, see that bit there? It starts at
1, 2.
2. It's 1 mile. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 2.5 miles. It's a big fucking storm. That thing is coming over. Yep. Keep the camera rolling for a second, man. Just keep it, just point the direction that way.
Can you let me bring it up?
Just keep it pointing that way. Just keep it, don't change the angle. Yeah. Keep it pointing that way. Let's get it here. It's starting to rain, come on. We're just going to keep the camera rolling because it's going to really start pushing it down here. Oh yeah, see that? What do you think, Lorna?
I think it's going to be a massive, massive thing.
Whoa, fucking hell. What's that one in there? Fucking hell.
Oh, that was loud.
That was less than a mile away. I don't know if it's safe to be around this wires here, you know?
Yeah, I think...
I'm going to go into there. I want to just see if we can witness this.
Photo, video, drone, available for hire. Check out CDFIMAGES.com.